Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Chapter Homemade. Today we're going to make an RPG adventure game. First you need a player and a hitbox. So we want the player to follow the hitbox. So let's do this. When green flag click forever and go to motion and get go to hitbox. Let's try. There's going to hitbox, but it's not walking. Whatever arrow key I press, it doesn't walk. So let's get another forever loop. And when green flag click, and then if we need 4 of these, and let's go to sensing and get a key space press. But we're gonna change it later. Okay, key up, key down, key right, and key left. So let's go to motion, and let's get change Y by 8 and change Y by -8. If you guys don't know about change X and change Y, we need change Y to go up and down, but we need change X or set X to for up, for right and left. Sorry. For down we need negative number. For up we need a positive number. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it first. Okay, it's moving. Let's do let's do right and left now. 8 and -8. See there, and let's try again. Okay, it's working, but we can see the hitbox, and I don't want to see it. Wait, we should put. Don't forget to put go to front layer. Okay, let's try. Go to front layer, and in the hitbox we're going to add a broadcast. First, let's broadcast message up, and then broadcast message down, broadcast message right, and broadcast message left. Okay, now why do we need to add a broadcast message? So so the player can change the costume, because we want, if I press right arrow, we want him to change to the right costume, and if I press left, I want the player to change. Oh yes, and these are the costumes. This is down, up, right, and left. Make sure they're centered, okay, so it doesn't bother anything. So when I receive down, let's go to a switch costume. Let's switch costume it down, and let's go with an up. Let's switch costume to up, and let's duplicate this. Switch when I receive left, switch costume to left, and when I receive right, switch costume to right. Let's try it now. Oh, perfect. But we want the hitbox to hide, so let's go to a set ghost effect to 100. Here, set ghost effect to 100. Okay, don't forget. See, it's working just fine. You need to have the costumes. Okay, don't forget to have all costumes. If you want to make a hitbox, it's easy. I just duplicate the player, I delete these costumes, and color it black. That's it. Okay, it's working fine. Today we're only making the player's movement on the next episode, we're going to make some other stuff. For example, like a house. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for episode 2. Wassalamu alaikum.